Yeah, come to the screen, and this is 240, actually it's 246 line I code for to get these all of from subscribe to sign up, and it took me 4 to 5 days. I'm not consistent as always, but I just did it for for sake of learning new thing. It's better to sit on the couch to learn something new. So I did this, and I just actually learned something new. And first thing I just learned about by learning this technology. Please start with simple, so you can find some interest, and you just want to take off from this, and the urge of your inside also want to learn something more. This is all about अंदर की आग. पहले अंदर की आग को निकालो. अभी वो इतनी बड़ी नहीं हुई है कि आप हार्ट से स्टार्ट करोगे तो वो हमेशा चलती रहेगी. सो आई फाइंड दिस. मैं पहले पाइथन भी कर रहा था, एंड आई जस्ट वॉच एंड डू 2 hours of tutorial and do practice of it, but it didn't give me so much initial kick to more learn. I usually so much confused by it, but I thought let some do so simple, so I can just change my mind, my brain algorithm to understand these all words and these all the meaning of this. So simple, actually it's not that hard, but is as a beginner I cannot understand even this all without taking tutorials. And if I'm saying watching tutorial, it's don't think I'm just watching tutorials. I usually do practice of it also by itself. They used to give me some tweet, join, subscribe, and they just give us homework. Request now, add to cards, get start, download, and this all. And I just do this, and several of do this from request now, from sign up. I do this from myself, so I can change my thinking level, and want to know something new, and you just have to practice enough to understand your mind what you are doing, and if you are doing for a long time, it's not that hard to remember, and you just go from the point.